This video goes over question 5 of the derivatives from the definition assignment. Find f prime of x and then find f prime at 1, 2, and 3. So now we have a rational function here. So we've got the definition here already. Now we're going to substitute in f prime of x equals the limit as h approaches 0, 9 plus 5, I'm going to replace the x with x plus h minus grouping symbol 9 plus 5 over x. So that's the denominator, or the numerator, and then the denominator is just h. So I'm going to take the step of distributing the negative through. So the limit as h approaches 0 of 9 plus 5 over x plus h minus 9 minus 5 over x all over h. Well, 9 minus 9 is 0, so we've done a little bit of simplification there. So equals the limit as h approaches 0 of 5 over x plus h minus 5 over x all over h. We're going to need a common denominator before we can subtract those two fractions. So here I'm going to get a common denominator by multiplying the first fraction by 1 in the form of x over x times 5 over x plus h, then minus 5 over x. We're going to multiply this by 1 in the form of x plus h over x plus h. Then that is all over the little denominator h. So this gives us the limit as h approaches 0, 5x minus 5 times x plus h. And since this is a common denominator now, x times x plus h all over h. Then we're going to distribute inside this parenthesis. So 5x minus 5x minus 5h all over x times x plus h. And all of that is just the numerator all over the denominator, which is h. Now we can simplify again. 5x minus 5x is 0, so we're left with the limit as h approaches 0 of negative 5h over x times x plus h all over h. Now I can think of this as h over 1, so I can cancel this h and this h to 1s, leaving me with the limit as h approaches 0 of negative 5 over x times x plus h all over 1, so I can forget about the 1. Now I don't have a problem with dividing by 0 if I let h go to 0. We're going to let that h go to 0, and our final answer is negative 5 over x times x, which is x squared. So we're going to use that, put that answer in, and then use it to evaluate the other answers. Negative 5 over x to the power of 2, check answer, fantastic. So now if I let x equals 1, this first derivative is negative 5. Then if x is 2, 2 squared is 4, so I get the fraction negative 5 fourths. Check answer, fantastic again. And then this is going to be a fraction negative 5. 3 squared is 9. Well done. And that concludes this video.